Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine guys. Today I will discuss with you what is pH. pH is a measure of how acid and basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14 with 7 being neutral. pH of the less than 7 indicate acident, where a pH of greater than 7 indicates a base. pH is a relative measurement of the relative amount of the free hydrogen and hydroxyl ions in the water. Potential of hydrogen, the latter pH stands for potential of hydrogen. Since pH is effectively a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ion in a substance, the pH scale was devised in 1923 by Danish biochemist Søren Peter Husebrodt. Normal pH level 7.35 to 7.45. The following are most important normal values on an ABG pH 7.35 to 7.45. The H in pH stands for hydrogen, but there is some controversy as the what they present. The Carbler Foundation itself say pH means power of hydrogen. However, German chemists claim instance for potential, where the French say it is their word for power. Celsius pH is a numerical scale in chemistry that is used to determine where the substance is acidic, basic, or neutral. In nature, substances that have a pH level of less than 7 are acidic in nature. For example, acidic substances such as vinegar, tamarind, lemon. Substances that have a level of more than 7 are basic in nature. pH is described as the negative of the logarithm of a molar hydronium ion concentration. pH formula is expressed as pH minus log H3O plus. The pH formula can also be expressed as pH minus log H plus. We can calculate the pH of a solution by taking the negative logarithm of the hydronium ion. Contraction of pH is equal to minus log H3 plus. Milk canard or dry is an acid forming food. Its pH level is below neutral at about 6.7 to 6.9. Water has a Newton pH of 7, which indicates that it is neither acidic or basic. The scale range from 0 to 14. It is normal for water to have a range of between 6.5 and 8.5 on the scale. What is the best pH? 7 to 8.5. A pH of 7 to 8.5 is considered to be common and is not associated with any adverse health effect. So if your water falls between this pH, then you should be fine, unlike a pH below 6.5 falling between a 7 to 8.5, while ensure that your body stay properly hydrated while not become to imbalance in pH. pH is an abbreviation for power of hydrogen, where P is short for a German word for power, potassium, and H is the element symbol from hydrogen. The H is a capitalized because it is standard to capitalize element system. The observation also work in French with power hydrogen translating as the power of hydrogen. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.